In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Oanda to MetaTrader 5, an essential step for traders looking to leverage the robust analytics and trading tools offered by MetaTrader. Let's dive right in and get your trading setup ready to go. First things first, you need to open an account with Oanda, a trusted and popular online broker known for its transparency and comprehensive tools. Simply head over to their website, create an account if you haven't already, and follow the straightforward sign-up process. This will be your gateway to accessing the financial markets through Oanda. Once you're in your Oanda account portal, navigate over to the Accounts tab. Here, you'll need to create a specific account for MetaTrader 5. It's crucial to generate an MT5 specific account because each platform has unique specifications and you want to ensure seamless integration and performance. With your MT5 account created, Oanda will provide you with essential information. You'll receive your MT5 login credentials, password, and server details. Be sure to store this information securely, as you'll need it in just a bit. Now, let's get the MetaTrader 5 platform up and running. Head back to the Oanda website and locate their platform section. Here, you'll find the correct version of MetaTrader 5 tailored for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Downloading the specific version for your OS is vital for ensuring optimal compatibility and functionality. After the download is complete, go ahead and run the installer. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and within a few moments, MetaTrader 5 will be installed on your device, ready for you to use. Next up, launch the Oanda MT5 platform. You'll be greeted by the MetaTrader interface, but before you start trading, you need to log in with the credentials we discussed earlier. Click on File at the top left corner of the screen and select Login to Trade Account from the drop-down menu. In the Login dialog, enter your Oanda-provided login ID, password, and server information. This step is crucial as it connects your MetaTrader 5 platform directly to your Oanda account, giving you live access to market data and trading capabilities. Make sure you select the correct server from the drop-down menu based on your Oanda account's jurisdiction. This ensures that you're connecting to the right server for legal and functional purposes. With these steps complete and your account logged in, you're ready to configure charts and indicators according to your trading style or strategy. You can now begin trading on Oanda's MT5 platform, enjoying the array of technical indicators and tools MetaTrader offers. And there you have it, a streamlined way to connect your Oanda account to MetaTrader 5, paving the way for you to start trading effectively. Happy trading, and remember to always stay informed and trade responsibly.